Adonai, Shmot Yitzro V'yachom Yatov Yadoi Lo. My dear friends, let's take time to Tzedakah. And let me wish you a good Chodesh, Chodesh Tov. Today, Rosh Chodesh, the first day of the month of Nissan. There is so much to talk about Rosh Chodesh, about the Nasi that we're supposed to start reading today. But I would like to share with you something which is very interesting. But I need you to follow along with me, because what I'm going to share with you is a thought of Reb Leivik, the Rebbe's father, who had this unusual approach to Torah, Kabbalah, Nigla, Chassidus, Drush, Remez, everything combined. And in this particular moment, something which is, let's call it a little light, where he focuses on the name of the month. The month is called Nissan. Why? Nissan, which means miracles. As the Gemara says, there is two noons in the letter Nissan, in the word Nissan, the beginning and the end. The entire month is completely enveloped. Nisei Nisim Nasu Laboseinu. A multitude of miracles have happened to our ancestors, and we hope that the ultimate Nes is going to happen today. But Nes also means elevation. But the month also has another name. In the Torah, it's not called month of Nisan, it's called Chodesh HaAviv. Aviv, the month of spring. So Rabbi Leivik dissects the word Aviv in many ways and brings out this beautiful thought at the end. Aviv, as I said, meaning spring, because it is the time of spring, is spelled Aleph, Beis, Yud, Beis. Aviv. What actually happened in the month of Nisan? One would say the birth of the Jewish people. We came out of Egypt and we were born as a new nation. So Aviv, let's split the word in half, we'll have Av, which means father. Obviously, as the birth of a new nation, we have father. So we have Av. But we had more than one father. Basically, as we always refer to, the three patriarchs, Avraham, Yitzchak, and Yaakov. So why is it focused over here of Av in a singular term as one father? Says Reb Leivik, let's first look at the numerical value of the word Av. In other words, the first half of the word Aviv. Aleph stands for 1, Beis stands for 2, so we have a total of 3. So we have Avraham and Yitzchak and Yaakov. But Reb Leivik says it needs a little bit more attention. Why putting it in an Aleph and Beis? Should be Gimel. Find a word. There is 3. So why breaking it out with Aleph? Aleph, which obviously refers to the letter of Avraham, and the base, which includes Yitzchak and Yaakov. Why is that? Says Reb Leivik, we find in the Torah that it says, Echad haya Avraham. Avraham was one. When Avraham Avinu started out in revealing godliness in this world, the presence of God, he was one all alone. So he deserves the Aleph, he deserves to be standing alone. When Yitzchak and Yaakov came around, there were already many people who were aware and conscious of the existence of God. So that's why they could be blocked together. So Aleph, the one, is Avraham. Beis include Yitzchak and Yaakov. But says Reb Leivik, let's see if we can do better. And it says very simple. When we will write Avraham, Yitzchak, Yaakov, as said to say, in the one word. In other words, the first letter of Avraham, and we'll take the last letter of Yaakov, we actually have Aleph, Beis. Avraham, Aleph, Yaakov, Beis. So we have in Av, we have Avraham, Yitzchak, and Yaakov. Bingo. Very, very nice. Now, what does the Yud Beis stand for? We understand the Aleph Beis. What is the second part of the word of Yud Beis? It says very simple. Yud Beis is the 12. 12 what? The 12 tribes. We are all descendants of one of those 12 tribes. So, Avraham, Yitzchak, and Yaakov, and the Shvatim. But why dividing it in 12 tribes? Why making already concept of division. Why not having it a one unit? Says, hold it. It is one unit. What unifies us is the Beis Hamikdash. The Holy Temple is where we're all the same, we're all together. That holiness, that godliness. The Beis Hamikdash was partially on the territory of Yehuda and partially of the territory of Binyamin. Yud Beis, Yehuda Binyamin, Beis Hamikdash. And we're all unified as one. But then he concludes with the following point. When we take the total numerical value of the word Aviv is 15. 15 obviously is the highlight of the month, Pesach. Says Reb Leivik, in this one word Aviv, you found our birth, you found our heritage, you found our existence, and we find the Beis Hamikdash, hopefully, today.